everyone. We are back with another episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. I'm your host Masum and I will give you a scoop of all the important AI news from the past few days. But before we get started, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a new video. From Elon Musk launching his new AI company XAI, to Google testing its medical chat box at the Mayo Clinic, or the AI tool that can turn your doodles into photorealistic images, and lots more. So let's get started. Elon Musk unveils XAI, a futuristic AI company for scientific marvels. Elon Musk recently announced his new AI company called XAI on Twitter. The primary goal of XAI is to build a super intelligent AI system that can solve complex scientific problems and deepen our understanding of the universe. Musk and his team of experts they aim to create an AI smarter than humans with a focus on societal benefit. While XAI seems an alternative to AI giants like OpenAI and Google, it is still in its early stages. The company plans to explore unsolved scientific mysteries such as the dark matter and the Fermi paradox and addresses humanity's most significant challenges. Google's AI medical chatbot, MedPalm2, a game changer in healthcare. Google is testing a medical chatbot called MedPalm2 at the Mayo Clinic. MedPalm2 is specifically designed to handle medical-related queries, providing information about symptoms, diagnosis, treatments, and prevention. However, it can perform tasks like summarizing medical documents, organizing research data, and generating image captions. To ensure its accuracy and expertise, the chatbot is trained on medical licensing exam questions and expert demonstrations. The project holds promise for revolutionizing healthcare accessibility through AI-powered assistance. Stability AI Staple Doodle, transforming sketches into realistic images. Alright, now Stability AI, a tech company that develops open source AI models for various domains, has introduced a new AI model called Staple Doodle, which can turn simple sketches to realistic images. Staple Doodle is a sketch to image tool that uses a powerful text to image model called Staple Diffusion XL, capable of generating images from text prompts in different styles and resolutions. It enables users to create original images by drawing different outlines with a mouse and choosing an art style from 14 options. The tool then uses the sketch and style as input conditions to generate an image that matches the user's intention. Users can also edit the image by changing the text prompt or the sketch. This tool is available for free on ClipDraw by Stability AI's website and app, where users can also access other features like video editing, video generation, and texture creation. Meta unveils Chameleon, the AI tool transforming text into images. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has introduced its latest innovation, Chameleon. This groundbreaking AI tool can effortlessly convert text into images and vice versa, showcasing its versatility and potential applications. What sets Chameleon apart is its use of a highly efficient token-based auto-regressive model, ensuring coherent image creation. While its remarkable performance, Chameleon has captivated audience and left them eager for more information on its future availability. As Meta continues to push the boundaries of AI technology, the world awaits the potential impact of Chameleon on various industries and creative endeavors. Anthropic launches Claude 2, the AI chatbot with enhanced capabilities. Anthropic, the renowned AI company, has unveiled its latest creation, Claude 2, a highly advanced AI chatbot with enhanced capabilities. Building upon its predecessor, Claude 2 can now handle a wide range of tasks including summarizing, translating, coding, and more. What sets Claude 2 apart is its proficiency in generating longer and more coherent responses, particularly excelling in areas like maths, coding, and reasoning. The chatbot's remarkable performance, paired with its availability in 40 languages and in 230 countries, positions it as one of the most accessible and versatile chatbots globally. With Anthropic's commitment to safety and ethics, Claude 2 follows a unique constitutional AI approach, making it safer, more helpful, and reliable. As Claude 2 enters the research stage, users eagerly await its potential public availability and the transformative impact it can have across various domains. Introducing GPT-4 ROI, Advancing Vision Language Model for AI Understanding. The last story I want to talk about is a new AI research that introduces GPT-4 ROI, a vision language model based on instruction tuning. Big language models like ChatGPT and Claude have been doing an awesome job in processing and understanding human language, opening up exciting new possibilities for creating artificial intelligence that can do a lot of different things. GPT-4 ROI is a groundbreaking advancement in the field of AI. It is a cutting-edge vision language model that seamlessly integrates vision and language capabilities, allowing AI systems to understand and interpret the world with remarkable precision. This powerful model enables enhanced image recognition, enabling AI to see and understand visual data more effectively. Additionally, it improves natural language processing, allowing AI to better understand and respond to human language. The potential applications of GPT-4 ROI are vast, spanning across various industries from healthcare to finance to customer service and creative endeavors. As this technology continues to evolve, it promises to redefine how we interact with AI and revolutionize the capabilities of smart systems worldwide. Alright, folks, that was a wrap of this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on all our future uploads. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI and technology. I will see you soon.